Welcome back to the channel, guys, and to another video. As you can see in the background there, this will be the final installment of this Mini. I'll be spraying it up in this video, so you'll probably be seeing a lot of glimpses of things happening, because if I should record all the activities, this video will carry on to another video, and I'd like to end it in this one. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so I put the bonnet of the Mini on the trestles here, and I started flattening it with this little straight edge. I done this all off camera. I started flattening it like that using 400 grit water paper. So nice, you know, to maintain a nice flat surface. And what I picked up was a couple of low spots. Don't know if you can see that there. There's another one there. There. That's just a mark. There's a couple of low spots here too. There. And there's a significant one on this side here. So I'm going to mark it out and grind it. Okay, so I mixed some MS. So this is my plan of action. I'm planning on taking the ruler and just dropping it into that low spot. I'm actually going to, I'll do it like a few times to make sure that it dams there. I don't mind a bit of elbow grease afterwards to flatten down. That's the least of my worries. I'll just carry on doing this. So you can see there, the idea is that to have like a pool of MS primer there. That kind of ensures that the low spot is covered. That's all the MS poured on here, and I wanted to make it rather watery so that it could flow. And obviously, because of the shape of the bonnet, the gravity is pulling it, so it's forming funny bubbles. But before it's set, our pour some more. Like there, you can see I done a double pour there. I don't know if you can see there. Done double pour there. So yeah, hopefully this bonnet will be sorted. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is how this bonnet came out here now after me sanding that down. It actually didn't come out too bad. All these little spots actually worked, because if I run my hand like this, I can feel those dents are gone. You know, those little indentations. The only thing here is this corner here. Here's an issue in this corner here. You can see there's an eye spot there. There's an eye spot there. And if I do this with my hand, I can distinctly feel the dip. So this area where I threw the MS in was the right area, but I threw too little. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grind here again a little bit. And I'll probably put some body filler here, something more dramatic to sort this corner out. And then I'll apply again some MS primer, but I think what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to spray the whole bonnet with this primer, and then flat the whole bonnet down together. So this will be the last segment of the bonnet. Otherwise this whole video will be about the bonnet, and I'll show you when it's on the car and probably sprayed up. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. Alright, let's crack on. Okay, so the outside of the bonnet is all sorted out. My next job now is to spray the inside of the bonnet and the inside of the boot lid, so that I could put that onto the car to spray the whole car. Let's crack on. Okay, so that's the bonnet basically sprayed all on the edges here and on the inside there. This paper popped loose here, but that didn't affect the spraying when I was doing this, because that came towards the end when it just blew out, but that's fine. So that's the inside of the bonnet all sprayed up. Okay, so that is the inner of the boot lid sprayed up, all on the sides there. So this didn't come out too bad actually. The outside of the boot lid I'll spray when it's on the car, as I said, when I spray the whole car. So yeah, another one bites the dust. Alright guys, so that's the bonnet sprayed up. I decided to do it off the car instead of on the car. So anyway, that's all sprayed up. There's 4 coats on here, then the dry here, and then I'm going to start on the car body. Okay, so it's time for me to start flattening the body in preparation for the paint. As you saw earlier, I already sprayed up all this, you know, all these things inside of the door and things like that. So it's time to start prepping the body for the color. Start using this block again. I will use this block, and once again I'm going to just stroke it like that. Okay, so it's feeling quite smooth already. I'll carry on and show you the results. Okay, so this is the rear quarter, and that's the door all sanded now. So it's just the fender, and then she'll be ready. Okay, so there we go guys, the car's body's all finished flattened. I must just protect the arches there, you know, and I'll run some paper around there, or plastic around the arches on both sides. Everywhere is smooth, basically ready for paint. Let's do a walkabout. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do on the car body, I'll put the boot lid on, so I'm going to spray that hinges down there. I'm going to spray that there. That's also already sprayed on the inside, as I showed you in the previous video. So I'm going to spray that hinges there, then I'm going to obviously shut it, and I'll move on to the roof. I'll spray all these sills first, and then the roof, and I'll gradually come down. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, so the Mini is completely sprayed up now. I ran it with some battery power, so I thought I was actually recording, but unfortunately I didn't, so I didn't capture everything. But what I can tell is that the roof and the bonnet got about 4 coats on, and seeing that's exposed to the sun, you know, direct light all the time, and the sides of the Mini got about 3 coats on, so she's all completely sprayed up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some water paper, wet sand the body down, start at about 1.5, and I'll go to 2,000, 2.5, whatever it takes to smoothen the body out, and then I'll buff the car out. Well, not polish it, I'll just buff it out with some polish, and then we'll see what it comes up like. Right, let's go on the walkabout. Okay, so if you guys can recall, this was where the damage was. For those that's watching this video and this part of the series for the first time, I suggest go back to part 1 and watch the progress. Anyway, this is where the damage was. It didn't come out too bad. And this is where all the other rust was. It's all complete now. Alright guys, the Mini is all complete. She's sanded and buffed. She's not polished. The only thing that's left now is to assemble the exterior and the interior. That I'm doing all off camera. I'm not going to show you guys that lot. The main thing is the body's done, and she didn't come out too bad. So I'm concluding this video here now guys. I'll put the cinematics in. I'll take a walk around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Hit the notification bell. There's plenty more to come. Catch you on the next one guys. Cheers for now.